No end to the pothole mess in Bengaluru, nor there seems to be a solution for the never-ending civic infrastructure problem within the city of Bengaluru. Now, Wipro founder Azim Premji has responded to the Karnataka Chief Minister's letter and declined his request to allow public transport and public vehicular movement within the company's premises in the Bangalore city as well. And this would ease traffic congestion in the outer ring road, what the government had said. Premji highlighted that the legal and the governance and statutory challenges involved, noting that Sarjapur campus was a private property and of a special economic zone providing service to global clients. He also said that the contractual obligations mandated strict access control and allowing public use of this campus would not offer a sustainable and a long-term solution to the government. Seeking to address traffic congestion on Bangalore's ORR or the outer ring road, Chief Minister had written or requested to the Wipro chief to consider allowing limited vehicular movement and public vehicles through the company campus subjected to mutually agreed terms. He also sought Wipro chief, saying that it would go a long way in easing traffic bottlenecks in the city of Bengaluru and also contributing more effective and efficient livable city within the Bangalore city as well. And that's what Chief Minister has requested to Wipro chief. And now Wipro chief or Azim Premji has declined the government request. Let's listen into the reactions.
Wipro company, it is supporting in so many other ways. They are giving eggs to all the school boys students. So they are supporting in all the way. But still, this government is just begging with the companies to fill up the pathways. This is not correct. When you cannot do justice, why you want to be in power? This government is the worst government ever seen by Karnataka, people of Karnataka.